Hello everyone, this is Savitri teaching English Shorthand. Today I am going to teach you advanced phrases for high speed dictation. That is high speed dictation at 120 words per minute or at 150 words per minute. While taking dictation, you can use these phrases. These phrases will help you in covering the speed of dictation. In his station. Here his for yes and yes. So SS circle is used. In his time, in its own, in its place, in judgment. M is halt for T sound. In many cases, in mine, in more, in most cases. Here T is silent, so circle S instead of T loop, circle S is used. In my own. In 9 cases out of 10. In 9 cases out of 10. T with N hook. In no case. In no case. In one form or another. In one form or another. F is doubled for form or another. Then N. Then in one word. In one world. In order that the. In order is halt that the. In order ner is doubled that the. In order to ner is halt for T sound. In other directions N is doubled directions. In other places N is doubled places. In other respects. In other respects. In other ways. In other words. In our opinion. In person. In place of the. In place of the. In possession. In questions. In questions. In reality. N is intersected, that is written close to the. R is written close to the N. In regard to that. In regard to that. Then in regard to this subject. In regard to this subject. Here SS circle will come for this yes and this yes. In relation to the. In some cases. Then in some countries. In some respects. In some ways. In spite of. P is halt, then F hook. P is halt for T sound. In spite of the fact that. In spite of the fact. K is halt here. P is halt for T sound and F. In succession. In such matters. In such places. Stay tuned to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.